Actually, Article 1311 of the Civil Code is a very important provision because this provision talks about the principle of relativity of contracts. As a general rule, contracts take effect only between the parties, their assigns, and heirs. Let's have an example. Assume that Juan is indebted to Pedro. May utang si Juan kay Pedro. In that case, Juan and Pedro are parties to the contract. Juan as the debtor, Pedro as the creditor. To whom should Juan pay? To Pedro. Why? Because contracts take effect between the parties. Now, what if Pedro dies? In that case, Juan can pay Pedro's heirs. Why? Because contracts can take effect also to the party's heirs. Now, what if Pedro assigns his credit to Maria? Then Juan can pay Maria. Okay? Why? Because contracts also take effect to the parties' assigns. So that's the general rule.